guys, today I'll be doing farm work. So let's just get this in. So I'll be doing farm work today. This is my farm truck. Now let's just go get the trailer for my farm to grow some wheat. Hopefully I got it right. I'll be back, guys. I'm back, guys. Wait, hold up. I'm back, guys. So here's a trailer for my tractor. Oh, bro, why just one over there? So guys, I'll be doing some farm work, feeding the cows, and yeah. Better not speed.
I shall speed.
Oh, going too fast. Okay, I'm gonna have to get some gas real quick.
You got friends in the game?
Yes. Shh. Oh no, I'm on a private.
What is this?
Oh, it's slime. Okay, now guys, let's do.
Where's the slime?
Up there. Don't play with it. Okay. Wait, oh my god. So I'm just putting diesel. Wait, no, this truck takes diesel, guys. Why did the door shut? Yo, let's just go. Don't mind my avatar too. Let's just go get some chips. Where's the chip off? Oh, here. Some Doritos, red, and some fizzy Coke. Where's Coke? Here. Now let's go get a energy drink. Let's go get the original. Okay, so this is what I want. Get Dorito, Coke, and this fizzy drink. What the?
Oh.
No, I'm getting another one, guys. So guys, this is I'm sorry I just drank it. Goodbye. Shut the doors. Now let's just hop into the truck. Now go to, better not hit it. Now let's just go to the farm. Okay, I'm in the middle. Hold up. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay.
What about the Garfield?
Hold up.
Oi! Hey! Hey! No! Hey, stop!
Oh, I see you.
Oh no, I'm crashing! I don't know how to drive. Oh no, why can't I control it? Oh no, I'm going in the river! I'm stuck.
Yeah, now you can't get out.
Yes, I can. Yep.
Oh, never mind. It doesn't. Make sure to turn so you know where you're going.
Show me where to go, please. Because I can't even drive.
Oh yeah. You have to follow me.
Can you show me?
So right now I'm at my farm.
Wait, you're in a farm? Oh no!
I'll take you. No, leave it. I don't let really anyone play on that account. Could say this is the right time. I know the whole map. A lot. Get over here, boy.
Okay.
Get here, boy.
Can't see you. Where are you?
Wait. There is me.
Oi! 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 Have your eyes.
Bro, stop! Now you're stuck. Now you have to hop out and despawn the car.
I can go out. Oh, you do a new car?
Yeah, I can spawn 4 cars.
Me
I
too.
need, no, you can only spawn 2 and 2 trailers.
Okay.
I got the game pass.
How we fun it?
No, see, I got all the game passes except from 1. No, hop out. Or do the, right, you can be a farmer with me.
I'm a farmer with you.
Okay. Why did you spawn 2?
I didn't know. That was. Where are you?
So, hop in my truck.
Oi! 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 I'm not here. I can't do it.
Now,
I did it.
come hop in my, now come hop in the farm truck.
Can't have it. Oh no. Oi! I'm not even in. Oi!
Or do you just want to sit on the bed? Yeah, you can sit on the bed.
I'm already in.
Okay, now I'll just spawn this.
Why in the game you're tan freaking now?
My what?
Oh, now I'm gonna drive.
On my tongue.
Yeah, sticking out in the game.
Oh. That's because my character's person that's,
Where's your trailer? Get your trailer.
no, that's for the tractor.
Where's your tractor?
I have to spawn it.
Phone it.
Yo, so guys, I need to spawn tractor and then we'll start doing some farm work.
I can't find things on here.
What?
We can't find things on here. Me?
Find friends.
No, not find cars in the
Spawn cars. Oh, you can spawn cars, but you
You
said you wanted to. We can just share my ones.
Why you?
Or you
I
can.
wanna come in the phone. I wanna come on the tractor. You allowed on the whiteboard to tractor? Wait.
But what's it taking forever? It never takes me this long.
Cause there's a tree.
No, it never takes me that long.
I'm gonna drive.
Help me put these in.
Now I'm driving.
No.
Fine.
I'll spawn you. You can drive it soon. So grab these. Just grab those and put them in here. Because we're going to do some growing some seeds.
Wait, we put it. I will. Oi, oi.
244. No, 245. Yo, hop out. No, hop out, hop out. No, hop out.
Well, how we
Hop.
how we help out?
You have to slow down. No.
Let's hop on your channel. Okay. Wait, where are you going? Where are you going?
But stop.
I'm leaving the game. I don't want to play. This is boring. I'm gonna play something else. I don't want to play.
Okay, well, I'm making a video.
I want to play.
Well, I'm still going to make my video. You can go on my trampoline if you want.
I'm gonna post the video.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. There.
Hey,
You're
I'm gonna post this one now.
Yeah.
Okay. How is it up?
What?
This.
I don't know, but I'm just trying to make a video real
You
quick.
just play quietly, no noise while he's doing it, okay? Here's this one.
Yeah, guys. Oh, wait, I've got to put this back in.
What's the little thing?
Lego. It's Lego.
No. Wait, what do you sort of do?
I don't know.
What's this little thing?
Can't leave it.
The little mini car, huh? This little mini car, What's the Lego that you me had on now?
What?
You want the Lego that you let me keep on now?
No, you can keep it. Yeah, so right now I'm just planting some crops. I also eat.
Toes? I put lost the toe. Wait. Thomas, I don't want to keep in. How it what this the first this?
Oh, it's a fixed cars.
Oh no. Oh, the fit cars. I need the fit cars. I need the fit cars.
Too fast.
I got all the cool. What's that for also?
To fix cars.
Did you say that?
I really put this in there.
To fix this. It's just to fix cars.
I would put on top of the car.
So they took a lot of seed.
Like that. What happened to all your toes?
They're there.
You're the ones down bottom.
They're still there.
No, down here.
I don't know where.
Ding-a-ding-a-ding, ding-a-ding-a-ding. Ding-a-ding-a-ding, ding-a-ding-a-ding. Ding-a-ding-a, ding-a-ding-a-ding, ding-a-ding. You don't know Amber. You don't know Amber. You don't know Amber.
Oh, this is not a straight line, guys.
I got the border. I got that.
I'm just gonna make like some 12.
Almost
Don't break it.
No, I almost did. I was tripping. Oh no. Oh no. Double boo boo. Here's the shade time.
And he can come here.
Yeah.
Right, bye guys.